So, hey there, gorgeous. Yes, you. The ones that's juggling clients, creating content, and a full life while quietly wondering if AI can actually help. Well, spoiler, it absolutely can. So, I'm talking about Claude, which is Anthropic's AI, and today I'm showing you exactly how to use it to research, ideate, create content, build digital products, and even automate some of that back end stuff that's quietly eating your time. So stay with me, it's way less scary than it sounds. So as you see here, you're brilliant at what you do. But somewhere between serving clients, showing up on social, and actually living a life, research stalls, content gets pushed to next week, and that digital product that you've been meaning to create still in your notes app. Been there. That's exactly why we're here today. So let's fix that. So as you'll see here, so Claude is made by Anthropic, and it's the AI that actually listens. So you give it context about your brand, your audience, your voice, and it responds like a brilliant collaborator who's done their homework. So it can research, it can ideate, it can write, and it can be chained into workflows that run on repeat. So it's not replacing you, it's literally handling the heavy lifting so that you can do what only you can do. So here's where it gets real. Instead of spending an afternoon going down the Google rabbit hole, you drop a prompt like this into Claude. So you have to be specific. So you want to tell it about your business, your niche, your audience, and Claude comes back with research that actually makes sense for you. So like pain points, trending queries, product ideas, all in seconds. And so if you see the brackets there, that's where you fill in your details. So you're going to want to screenshot this prompt right here because you're going to use it this week. So now you've got your research. Next, ideas. So this is what we call chaining prompts. So you're going to paste Claude's research output right into the next prompt, and then Claude is going to build on it. So the result, what you're going to do is you're going to take the research that you just got from the prompt that you used before, and you're going to take all of that research, you're going to paste it into the chatbot along with this prompt, and the result, a whole menu of digital product concepts, complete with punchy titles, transformation statements, and price points. So you're not starting from scratch anymore. You're starting from smart. And that, friend, is the beginning of an automated workflow. So here's what an actual content creation workflow actually looks like. So, and this is when Claude is your co-creator. You bring the context, so that's your brand, your voice, your audience, and then Claude handles the research, the outline, the draft. Then you step back in and your magic, add your magic, spice it up a little bit, and then hit publish. So the more context that you give Claude up front, the more it sounds like you. So that example prompt that's at the bottom, it works. I've used it. Try it. So, because this is a collaboration, not a replacement. So here's our digital product pipeline here. And for digital products, you want to keep the same energy. Research the market, develop the concept, outline the content, and then draft it. Then you'll write your sales copy, build the email sequence. What used to take months now takes weeks or days if you're in the flow. So every single step in that pipeline, Claude can support it. So you bring the expertise, the lived experience, the magic that is specifically and only you. And then Claude builds the scaffold. So here are 3 prompts that you can literally copy, customize, and use today. A market research prompt, a course outline prompt, and one for a launch email. And so those brackets, those are where you fill in your specific details. The more specific, the better. So then Claude performs. So the better Claude performs is the more specific you need to be. So once you need to do this, it's like that's the whole secret right there. That's the whole secret. So screenshot this slide right now. You're going to want these. And then so listen, automation, it does not have to be complicated. It can be as simple as using Claude every Monday to plan your content, or running a research brief before every launch. It's like a client intake, your content calendar, your FAQs documents, or your sales objections. All of these repeatable. Claude powered, done. It's simple, repeatable, powerful. That's the whole vibe. So you're ready, and here's your homework, babe. Pick one thing from this deck and try it this week. Just one. It's like not all of it, just one. And it's like, so start with the research prompt. See what Claude gives you, then come back and tell us in the comments. Because done beats perfect every single time. And your next revenue stream is literally one good prompt away. So if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and please share it with your business bestie. She needs this too. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.